Why can fish breathe the oxygen in H2O but not air? Do they separate oxygen from H2O? If so, what happens to the other hydrogen? The oxygen that fish breathe is not the O in H2O. Fish don't breathe oxygen in the water molecule. That molecule remains intact. What exists in the water is atmospheric O2 dissolved in it. That's what they breathe. Now, why can't they also breathe O2 from the air if it's the same O2? This question is even more interesting. Fish breathe through gills. The structure of the gills behaves quite similarly to human hair. When a person is immersed in water, the strands of hair float and separate, and the surface of each strand has maximum contact with the fluid absorbed. In this case, the fluid is water. When the person leaves the water, the strands don't float, but rather fall due to gravity and come into contact with each other. The surface of each strand then has less contact with the fluid. In this case, the fluid is air, and more contact from strand to strand. The gills function in a similar way. When the fish is in the water, the gill plates float, and their surfaces have optimal contact with the fluid. When the fish leaves the water, the gills collapse and the plates come into contact with other plates, preventing the flow of oxygen.